Hey guys, welcome to Athletic Flow for July. This month we've got the side lever using the one arm, then we've got a cartwheel progression for the 4-point flow, and then for the sprint we're doing a 3-point start. So the side lever progression here is just doing the one arm hang off the ring. So you might find just keeping a little bit of weight on the ground is enough for you, just to develop that tissue tolerance through there, and you want to start working on those shrugs. Once you've got that down, then you can go to full body weight shrugs and you do 15 seconds a side. Then you're going to do the isometric hold and start working on that diamond shape. And then you can bring this arm out, straighten the top leg, and then work towards straightening the bottom leg. So you're getting that straddle each side for 15 seconds. The higher you can get that outside leg to really get that side lever strength, obviously the better. And then you want to keep engaging that one arm hang, so it's active hang the whole time. So it's quite heavy on both arms, 15 seconds aside. Then for the 4-point flow, we're doing that cartwheel. So your basic one is just going in from a squat into that lateral weight shift, one hand down, other hand down, step around into the squat and coming back. So for a lot of people that's quite good. You know, you can keep looking that way, capoeira style, looking through. Then you can start to skip a little bit, like that, and just getting the hips a bit higher and higher over the hands. So the more that the hips go over, the more you're going to have that sense of, a handstand in between each side. Then if you're working towards straight legs, I like people to get into just the kick up and switching the legs. So you shrug those shoulders up, lock those elbows out, kick. That's landing on the same leg. Once you've got that down, switch. So you might do 30 seconds of either kick up or the switch. And then once you start the cartwheel, an easy way with the straight legs is to go in 45 degrees and come out, so you get that 90-degree turn. So instead of being straight, turn 45 degrees, up, down. As that gets better, you just kind of keep more and more over your head. So you want to come in and turn. In and turn. And really feel that kick straight over your head. For the 3-point start in the sprint, just on the balls of the feet, so you want to feel that you can jump out of both feet. And you're just doing a couple, 2 to 3 each side. That might be it. Then you're coming down, and you want to feel that same drive with the legs, but you're projecting yourself forward. So in this point here, I've got this hand down, so there's 3 points of contact. This arm is up, and then I'm going to use those legs to drive out. So I'm leaning over, and come up on the fingertips, so there's less pressure, and bang! And then what I want from that, and you can practice it standing as well, is getting that knee. So you're driving out on that angle. So when you jump, that back knee is going to shoot forward. So you're there. So you shoot forward with that back knee, drive yourself out in front, and then just take a couple of steps to slow down. So you're doing sets of reps of that. For the 4 rounds, take that 30-second rest after that sprint start. And then you're going back into 15 seconds aside for the side lever. 4 rounds is pretty intense if you're really going for it, but remember they're quite challenging movements. There's a lot that goes into them, so really warm them up first. If you've got time, you might even do 5 or 6 sets just because of the skill level for these movements. So, if you've got more time, you might even do a bit of a rest in between each one. Once you've got it down now, as the weeks go on through the month, you can join it together a bit more, make that session a bit more intensive. But sometimes you have more time, sometimes you don't, so it's good to tick it off, get it done, and enjoy it.